Hi, Andrew Cooper here from Advice for Living Financial Planning in Diamond Creek. I want to do a very quick update today following an announcement from the Commonwealth Bank that will affect some of you. I've selected to send this video just to those of you who have either CBA shares or who have got your super or pension or investments in Colonial First State FirstChoice or Colonial FirstWrap. Again, super pensions or investments. What's happened today is that the CBA has announced a demerger of its wealth business from its banking business. So what that means is they're splitting off quite a sizable chunk of the bank that includes those products, the FirstChoice super and pension and investment and FirstWrap super pension and investment. They're also splitting off with this new organisation a couple of financial planning groups, Count and Financial Wisdom, but they're of no concern to you, obviously. The new group is going to be called CFS Group or Colonial First State Group. And what will happen, it will be entirely independent of the bank. For those of you who have got shares in CBA, so if you've got CBA shares, what will happen is that you will get new shares in the new organisation. So you'll retain your shares in CBA, but you'll also be given bonus shares in CFS Group. Those of you who have got pension, super or investments in FirstWrap or FirstChoice, firstly, nothing will happen for the next 12 months because the demerger is going to take that long. The second thing is that even when it happens, I would be surprised if there's any change of any great deal. FirstWrap and FirstChoice have been operating quite independently inside the bank for quite a number of years, so I shouldn't expect it will be any different. I believe that the reason that they did it was really to preempt the Royal Commission that's going on at the moment, because I would be very surprised if that Royal Commission doesn't really take a swipe and recommend major changes to situations where banks own wealth management businesses as well. So there's, basically the bank is trading on its trust with its clients and then also selling them products which it owns and develops itself. So I think there'll be a big change in that from the Royal Commission. I suppose the most important thing to say is this is all 12 months away. The bank is saying there won't be any change for about 12 months. But given the nature of it, I thought people maybe will be concerned. So really the short story is if you've got CBA shares, in about 12 months you will get new shares in this CFS group. We don't know about the value of them. Once we get some more information and maybe even after they're listed, then we'll decide whether or not they represent a good investment and whether we should keep them or sell them. And for those of you who have got super and investments and pension in Colonial products, I'm not expecting any change really at all. But wanted to at least touch base on that. You'll probably see some stuff on the news about it tonight, or maybe you'll be watching this after you've already seen it. Again, any questions, any issues, any worries, please give me a call to talk it over. And finally, also, if there's anybody who you think may be interested in this, then please feel free to pass it on to them. Other than that, thanks and goodbye.